Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And what I'm going to do today is give you a little insight of what's going on in our public Facebook group. If you are interested in taking a look around to see how we've been doing, and not only that, see how other people are winning with this opportunity, all you have to do is click on the description below and it'll give you the link to our public Facebook group. Okay. So with the Cash Building Unlimited system, this is a program, a postcard opportunity that a lot of our team has been working online and offline. And with this opportunity, you can invest a one-time payment into any level that you want and start actually receiving payouts from your efforts. Okay. So one of the things I want to just say before we get started is that what you make and what you earn depends on your consistency, your skill set, and how much you're willing to learn and apply. Okay. That's always important with opportunities. What you put in it is what you're going to get out of it. Okay. So with the postcard program, this is the website that I do offer to my team. And what it has here is a quick video about how the opportunity works. And then there's a get started button. When you click on this, it takes you down to the levels that we have, which is a phase 1 level. For $50, you're going to have access to 200 done for you postcards, 200 targeted leads, members only discounted pricing on postage stamps, private offline marketing strategies that we go over so that you can learn other ways to promote this opportunity if you would like to utilize more than just postcards. And then we have an exclusive Facebook group that's for paid members only. Okay. So what I want to do is share with you the Facebook group that's for the public. And this is a proof group, and we put this together so that people are able to see how other people are doing with this system and get an idea of some of the strategies people are using or how often people are earning. Okay. Because that's the thing, the proof is in the pudding, right? We want to know how good are people doing, whether they're newbies or they are veterans, right? And we have a mixture of both, which is really, really good. So people come here and they put up their stamps, their leads, their postcards, the things that they purchase in order for them to see results with their business. But not only that, we do also shout out people who have just started the opportunity and basically what phase they came in at. So, and even if a person is just checking it out, they can come here and scroll down, see how many people have joined, how many people have gotten paid, how often they're getting paid. And you can just come in here and snoop around if you want and get an idea of how people are doing. We have Quincy, who had a $770 payment. Congratulations to Quincy. We also have here Susan, who's sending out some envelopes with her postcards. And yes, you can send out envelopes if you want to add more information to your postcard. You can put it in an envelope and mail it out that way as well. It's really up to you how you want to work your business. Okay. Then as we scroll, we'll see here Jenna, who had a $785 day from this program. Okay, she started and actually upgraded as she went on. We have Shanae, who just started and received her package in the mail from the company. That included her postcards and her leads, along with the information for her to get started. Here's another person that joined. And as we go down, again, it's going to just show people receiving payments or people that have upgraded or people that are purchasing certain items for their business. Okay. And again, it's all about coming into the opportunity, making the most of it, and actually getting on a system so that you know how often to send out things and what to send out. And not only that, what you should be doing on a consistent basis. And we also go over that in our training. So we have training twice a month. We have a training that's coming up this week, Wednesday. Okay. And I'm going to just share with you the banner. So if you are already a member or you want to get this live training, All you need to do is sign up before Wednesday evening at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you'll be able to get in on the live training. Everyone that is a member from our team will get the link to participate, ask questions, get their questions answered on this training. This week, we are going to go over online traffic generation strategies so that people are able to purchase traffic on a budget, and not only that, start to accumulate traffic for their offline business. Now, we've done offline training. We've already had 2 pre-recorded offline training sessions, and this is going to be our online training session. The other thing is we are having also a live webinar. So if you want to be a part of the webinar is this Thursday, the 20th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All you have to do is register at this link, directmailearning.com. That's going to take you to a link to register. Once you register, you will get the link to get in on the Zoom webinar at 6 p.m. on Thursday, June 20th, okay? And this is where you're going to get information about how the program works, what to expect. You're going to hear some testimonials. We're going to discuss what Cash Building System Unlimited is all about. And that's basically it. This webinar normally lasts 45 minutes to an hour. And you want to make sure that you're participating in these webinars, which we hold every week or every couple of weeks. So it depends on the time of the month and what's actually happening. We do let people know days in advance when we are having our live trainings and our live webinars so that everyone can actually participate. And again, this is for our upcoming training, which you want to make sure you're part of, especially if you're already a member of Cash Building System Unlimited, okay? So we already talked about phase 1. Let's just really go into phase 2. And I talk about why this is important. Phase 2 is going to allow you to make more money because you can get paid at higher levels. Remember, if you are not at a particular level, you cannot get paid for it. So as an example, if you come in at the $500 level and someone comes in at the $1,000 level, you're going to be able to get $350, but you just missed out on $700. So it's not going to completely skip you, but you could have made more money just by coming in and upgrading to the next level. What you want to do is when you start, you want to come in where you can fit in, and you want to move up the ladder as you go. You do not want to stay stagnant on one level because most people are upgrading as they go. And if you are not upgrading as you go, you are probably going to miss out. Okay, so it's really important to upgrade as quickly as you can so that you can receive your fast start bonuses, spillover bonuses, upgrade bonuses, and residual income. And guys, this is where a lot of the money is at right here with the fast start and the spillover. That's where you get to make your most. That's why it's important to position yourself and utilize the leverage within this opportunity to make the most that you can make. So the fast action bonuses, and this is the fun part. I've included these bonuses mainly because I was thinking about the things that I wish I would have had when I first started my business and the information that I want to make sure that the members have so that you are starting off the right way and you have success straight out of the gate, right? A lot of people have to go through a ton of loopholes before they actually start seeing success. And it's mainly because of not having these bonuses. So the first bonus we're going to talk about is the offline marketing secrets, where I teach you guys my strategies and tricks that I use to earn consistently within the online and offline space. Because remember, guys, I specialize in both. I don't just do offline, I also do online. I started off doing mainly offline. And as I learned more, I started to apply online as well. You can do the same. So we're going to go over that. We're going to give you the information for discounted postcard stamps so that you're not spending a ton of money on your stamps when you are mailing out your postcards. You're going to get access to our private Facebook group where we have all of our training modules and information that's going to help you build this business the right way. We also have one-on-one coaching. I do these all the time. I actually had a couple lined up today. I had some last week as well, where people who need one-on-one training and just want to know more about how the business works and be able to take their business to the next level, they do come in and request one-on-one training. Now, this is additional. If you want to just get on the group trainings, that's not a problem. This, again, is additional for those who work better one-on-one, like myself, okay? Then we have the resources for success, where we're going to give you all of the tools that you need in order to be successful with this business. We're going to make sure that you are set up properly and you know exactly what to do. But not only that, you have options based off of how you learn and apply information. Remember, there's no two people that learn the same, and there's no two people that are going to apply information the same. And that's why you need options. With this opportunity, we're going to give you options. Some people are going to want to go left, others are going to want to go right, and that's fine as long as you're going. So we're going to push you to learn more, but not only that, apply more on a daily basis so that you can start earning consistently with this opportunity. And then bonus number 6, we have the Eagles Club. This is new. And the reason why I rolled this out is because those who are looking to invest more into themselves and into their business need to have a better mindset, but not only that, a blueprint of some techniques that they can use that are a bit more advanced, right? And the reason why I put this out there is because I would have loved to have an Eagles Club when I was spending $1,000, $2,500, even sometimes $3,500 on an opportunity where you're able to learn more so that you are going at a faster pace and you're able to accumulate more traffic by applying different traffic strategies the right way. Now, the thing is we can't get into all of this for our regular trainings that we have with everyone. So what we're going to be able to do is have private trainings with those who pay at $1,000 or higher to be able to understand the concept of postcard marketing, offline marketing, how to get the most out of what you spend and what you have, and the easiest way to budget and make the most of your marketing materials, because that's what it's all about. Okay. So again, the Eagles Club is available. You have to pay at $1,000. This is not, if you come in at the $500 and you're bumped up to the $1,000, you're not a part of the Eagles Club. You have to actually pay and buy into the $1,000 level. Now, the $1,000 level is going to bump you up to the $1,500 level at no additional fee, allowing you to collect $1,050 from each person that comes in at that level. And for position number 2, you're going to be able to get unlimited $300 at that level. As you can see, the company does have a monitoring fee of 10%, which is not bad at all. They take out a small percentage. And this, again, is to just send you out all of your materials and make sure you have everything that you need when you get started. The website, this is directly through me. This is not through the company. So once you receive your ID number, right? This is where your ID number goes. Everyone has a unique ID number. This information needs to come directly to me with some other information so that we can create your customized website, because your website will have this information, your information, and this is how people will reach out to you when they are ready to get started or if they have additional questions, okay? So the link for this opportunity is right below in the description box, right below this video. And also the link for our Facebook group, Proof Facebook group, that's again open to the public. All you have to do is click on the link and request to gain access, and someone will let you into the room. I hope that this information has educated people on how this works. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. and I'll see you at a later date in another video. So have a great night. Stay inspired and stay blessed.